Sorry about that, my camera just decided to turn off. All kinds of food still left in the cupboards. It's a pretty decent golf bag over there. I don't never take anything from places I check out, so that's not why I'm here. Just saw the sign, looked like there's properties for sale, so I thought I'd take a quick look. And I love to see abandoned places anyway. The door was wide open, and they just left like everything. Look at this. And quite a bit of stuff that looks like it's still very usable. Actually worth something, you know. A lot of VHS tapes. So I wonder if this place has been abandoned a lot longer than, you know, than it looks. Here. Something. No. Almost looks like the house next door is abandoned as well, but looks like they have been mowing their yard. Look at all the golf balls. I think that's what I'm going to call this, is the golf house. Look at that golf bag. It's beautiful. Looks like a really nice one. Computers. Another golf bag. Trolling motor. Anyway. Hopefully the people that did live here don't get ripped off, because there's people around that would come in here and steal all kinds of stuff. It's a shame. Not here to do any kind of damage. Not here to steal anything whatsoever. Just to document. Look at all those VHS tapes. Man, they have a lot. And you know the walls aren't damaged. The glass isn't broken. So it almost looks like nobody's really been here to do that kind of stuff. Is that a yearbook? It's a martial arts book. Never seen so many golf balls. Except at a driving range. No trophies. Somebody was a pretty good golfer, it looks like. Some broken glass here. Coat still hung up on the rack there. Anyway, thought you'd like to check this out. It's even a cell phone case. It looks like a smartphone case, so I don't think this place has been abandoned for too terribly long. A golf club that somebody broke. Anyway, another abandoned place checked out by MaxproductionsTV. Please subscribe and like if you like these kind of videos, because we got a lot more coming. I am way behind on producing videos that I've taken, so I got to get caught up. Looks like there's a light on in there. Something's plugged in, so there's still power on in this house apparently. Let's try the switch here. No, that doesn't work. There is something that's powered on over here. Just curious what that might be. Something over here that's got a light on. That's just a reflection. Huh. It's a reflection through that syrup bottle. It looked like something had a light on. Okay. Golf balls everywhere. We're officially called the golf ball house. Oh, it stinks in here badly. Probably food left in the refrigerator. Except there's no refrigerator. Not that I could see. Nope. Huh. So apparently they took the refrigerator out. Golf tees, more golf balls, more golf balls. Alright, this is the new drinking game. Rewind this. Every time I say the word golf ball, you take a drink. Alright. Thanks for coming along. Subscribe and like. Thank you. Max Productions TV. Bonus footage. There's a garage downstairs. And guess what I found? More golf balls. There's some old pictures. Some log books. No, they did not leave this kind of stuff behind. Not good. Those are cool. Postcards. Here's some gloves. Golf clubs, umbrellas. I'm surprised there's a bathroom down here too with more golf balls. No garage with more. There you go. I didn't say it. You weren't supposed to drink yet. Wow. Look at the size of this entertainment center. Sorry, of course I don't have my light because I had no idea there was a place down here. And of course, should always bring it, right? There's nothing in there. Old boom box. It's a very nice entertainment center. Okay, I'm actually done now. Thanks for coming along. Let's wrap this up. Little pool table game thing. All right, golf balls. All right, enjoy.